Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of contacts not syncing. On Google Meet, we click on settings here. As you see, we go to settings. Then we click on apps, tools, apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about Google Meet. Here we go to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we go to clear cache. After that you'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.